Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art Designs. Glad you guys are here. So what I've done, and I've done many times before, is I used some beach sand along with some titanium white mixed in with some gesso, which is primer, and applied that to the top, and then used the plastic from the actual canvas and just made some wrinkles just simply like this, creating those beautiful folds and patterns that I love so much. And sometimes I will actually do this and then remove the plastic right away. Or what I will opt to do is leave the plastic on it, let it completely dry and peel it off, which is super satisfying. And then you get different patterns, like the patterns change if you do that. So there's so many different ways you can use plastic wrap to create stunning texture. And I can't wait to do the reveal and see what this looks like once it's all dry. So let's get going.
As mentioned earlier in the video, I really wanted to highlight and show off the beautiful details and texture effects with plastic wrap. And as you can see here, they're extremely prominent and present. And you can also see all the beautiful colors and nuances from the several layers that I put on. Each layer makes a difference and it all plays a part. I absolutely love how this turned out, and that new Scarlet acrylic ink is fabulous. And what I'm going to show you guys here is how beautiful this painting looks in different colors, different furniture, different backdrops. Beautiful piece of modern art. I love it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you all in the next pour or painting.